In this video, I am going to show you the experiment of buzzer and fan combination. For that, we require switch module, buzzer module and fan. Now, let's give power supply to switch module. From switch to the buzzer, from buzzer negative to the battery negative. Now let's extend the power supply to fan module. From the switch I am taking second wire, which I am giving to the positive of fan. Positive wire is always red and negative wire is always black. Now let's connect the negative of this fan to the negative of battery. Let's test by using push button. You can see that fan and buzzer are working together at a time. We can test even with slide switch.